On a bright morning, a little yellow submarine named Sunny bobbed happily on the blue sea. Sunny loved maps, question marks, and stories about places that seemed a little spooky. Today she was sailing near the Bermuda Triangle with her best friends, Captain Mina the brave seagull, and Toby the tiny turtle who carried a flashlight bigger than his shell. Captain Mina pointed at the water and said, "The old sailors whisper that ships vanish here." Toby gulped and hugged his flashlight. Sunny smiled. Maybe the sea is not spooky at all. Maybe it is just hiding a secret. Soon a soft fog rolled over the waves like a giant cotton blanket. The compass spun in circles. The radar made a squeaky beep and blinked out. Even the sun looked like a pale coin behind the clouds. "Oh no," whispered Toby, "we are lost." "Not lost," said Sunny, "adventuring." But her voice wobbled just a little. Then they heard a strange singing sound under the water. It was deep and gentle, like the humming of a huge sleepy whale. Sunny followed the sound, careful and slow. The friends passed floating waves of silver bubbles, a field of glowing jellyfish, and a school of fish that darted away like tiny arrows. At last they found something surprising. It was not a monster, not a ghost ship, and not a sea dragon. It was a secret spinning line of warm and cold water, bumping together beneath the sea. The currents twirled like a whirlpool and pushed boats off course. Above them, a storm cloud was tossing rain and wind in every direction. "That is why ships could seem to disappear," said Sunny. "The sea and sky are playing a trick." Just then a lighthouse beam flashed through the fog. The light guided them safely to a calm bay where other sailors were waiting. The sailors cheered, and Captain Mina bowed so low her hat almost fell off. Toby turned on his flashlight and laughed. The mystery was big, but the answer was bigger. From that day on, Sunny told everyone the truth. The Bermuda Triangle was not a magical trap. It was a place where storms, strong currents, sudden fog, and busy waters could make travel tricky. And although it still felt mysterious, Sunny knew that every mystery becomes kinder when someone is brave enough to look for the answer.